Chatbots built from YouTube videos transcription create powerful tool. In journalism, chatbots turn long interviews into instantly searchable and reliable sources. Like this video, Sir Ken Robinson argues that creativity is as important as literacy in education and should be valued equally. He explains that current education systems suppress creativity by prioritizing academic subjects and stigmatizing mistakes. In education, they allow learners to ask questions instead of watching long videos, saving time and improving understanding. In analytics, chatbots help extract key insights from long discussions and presentations. They turn unstructured speech into searchable and structured knowledge. Overall, chatbots maximize the value of video content.